very big manufacturers जिनका खुद का ब्रांड इतना नहीं चलता, but they are manufacturing for others.
To make your own brand, it's you create your own design, you make your own name. Whatever you do it out of the passion.
ये एप्सले नाम कैसे आपने सोचा?
ये मेरे ग्रैंडडैड लेके आए थे when he went to UK.
तो आपकी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है वो सारी लुधियाना में ही है?
हाँ जी, हमारी लुधियाना में ही 95%, 98% I will say it's within Ludhiana itself.
Are you manufacturing only for women or you've got anything for males as well?
From last 40, I think ever since he started, he found out that if I just go precisely, just focus on women category itself, that would be good enough.
He wants to be an entrepreneur in hosiery or maybe some other sector. What would be your advice?
Basically, if you are coming with your with your passion of making clothing, then just come up with not only experience which your forefathers or your seniors has got, but also bring your own innovation and own ideas to bring forward.
लुधियाना पोस्ट देख रहे दर्शकों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। लुधियाना हॉजरी कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया कहा जाता है और आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसा ब्रांड जिन्होंने बनाया है लुधियाना का, जो हॉजरी में काफ़ी झंडे गाड़ रहा है, उनके ओनर दीपक जी बैठे हैं, एप्सले। एंड एप्सले इज अवेलेबल इन मल्टी ब्रांड स्टोर्स थ्रू आउट इंडिया एंड उसको इस लेवल तक आपने पहुंचाया जैसे चुनमुन, अरिस्टोक्रेट।
has been started from my granddad, and my father gave it a name to name the brand Epsley, and which my granddad got it from abroad, and now I'm carrying it forward along with my father. So it has been selling all three of the leading stores of India. For example, you were just saying Chunmun, Bindals, Appeal, Rituwear used to be as well, but not anymore. Used to go to Shoppers Stop, and so in Ludhiana, if we talk about, it goes to Aristocrat, Mom and Me, Lucky Tower. So these are the few leading stores which I can just tell you on my fingertips that it goes to.
Beautiful.
बाकी जलंधर में राम गारमेंट्स हैं, सब कुछ अमृतसर में अपने वो अनिल स्टोर, अपने सिटी में जौन से लीडिंग स्टोर्स हैं वहाँ हम।
अच्छा, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था कि बड़ा मुश्किल होता है लुधियाना में, हम देखते हैं बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, बट देन इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू क्रिएट योर ओन ब्रांड। एंड आई हैव सीन वेरी बिग मैन्युफैक्चरर्स जिनका खुद का ब्रांड इतना नहीं चलता, but they are manufacturing for others.
I think it takes a lot of patience and not only hard work. Hard work it takes for every business to succeed, but everybody doesn't have that much of patience to wait for 9 months of and then not only make that garment, and then you have to wait the garment to be sold out as well. जब तक वो sold out नहीं होएगा तब तक your payments will not be cleared. So basically, to make your own brand, it's you create your own design, you make your own name. Whatever you do it out of the passion. But when you do it for others, in the name of other, then it is about manufacturing. You need to be master in your manufacturing unit. That from where you can do the mass production, from where you can cut down the cost, how you can do it more efficiently, which machineries are more advanced. in this you're not only going to be aware of the styles, but you have in making your own brand is you also have to be good in machinery and these in this manufacturing know-how as well. Basically, yes, it is hard work. It takes a lot of patience. This is
Lot of
what
patience.
my
क्योंकि गिनती के नाम if I
coincidence.
count, like, I can count on fingertips, maybe Octave, Vardhman, Duke,
जी
and now Epsley, Monte Carlo. Of course, मतलब बहुत limited है. So this is something very very tough, but you've done it and you're very humble despite your achievements. But ये Epsley नाम कैसे आपने सोचा? I mean, who created this brand?
as I've just mentioned this before, sir, कि ये मेरे granddad लेके आए थे when he went to UK. He got this name from the UK. He must have heard some place called Epsley. So I think that's how he has.
So there's a place called Epsley in UK.
I think so. This is
Okay.
where he has got this from. And my father started this with his wish and will to make something of his own choice rather than listening to others what to make and what not to make. To do basically अपने मन की करनी. उन्होंने अपने मन की करने के लिए उन्होंने अपना ये ब्रांड शुरू किया और it's been now I think it started it's been 50 years back
50
yes,
years.
50 years must be around 50 years around now.
Amazing.
हाँ जी that we are running this business from.
Wonderful. अच्छा, तो आपकी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है वो सारी लुधियाना में ही है?
जी, we are only based in Ludhiana and we just solely produce within Ludhiana itself. Yes, the things which goes around for the say for example for the embroidery, for the crochet, that goes to the different states, that is a different city or different state, whichever it is. But otherwise हाँ जी, हमारी लुधियाना में ही 95%, 98% I will say it's within Ludhiana itself.
Now you've come with your store as well, very near Jalandhar bypass.
हाँ जी.
And you've made a beautiful store. So is it your only store or you've got some more, or there are plans to expand further?
Well, it's just as they say every day let's see how every day unfolds. So this is what we are into. We have no plan of just making a multi stores at the moment. But yes, since we didn't have any store before, and to sell off our own product, which we have now, and if it goes well, then you never know how to how to go about in the future. But yes, it's a good big thing for us to have our own retail store under our own brand name.
Wonderful.
जी.
Acha, we've seen that in Ludhiana sometimes, especially in hosiery or even auto parts or cycle industry, everything is labor intensive and there are always shortages of labor. And अभी भी कई लोगों से बात करते हैं तो कहते हैं लेबर बड़ी कम है. तो क्या आपका क्या टेक है, since you are in this industry? So what do you think कि labor is sufficient और फ्यूचर में लेबर इंटेंसिव काम कम होते जाएंगे, it will be automated, कैसे होगा?
I will still consider myself fresher in this manufacturing because it's been hardly 10 to 12 years. I haven't seen much, but as so far what I have seen कि हाँ जी labor intensive है और labor मिलती नहीं easily. Because this is not something you want just a basic skills. This has to be experienced person who knows the know-how. कैसे किस चीज़ को करना है, मशीन को कैसे ऑपरेट करना है, कैसे पीस को सिलना है.
And are you manufacturing only for women or you've got anything for males as well?
We started off doing in the beginning when my father started it with the males and with the kids as well. But from last 40, I think ever since he started, he he found out that if I just go precisely, just focus on women category itself, that would be good enough.
Yeah, because obviously fashion is carried forward by women, and they are the torch bearers of fashion. So
Ji.
you've chosen the right, I think, category.
Well, they say, yeah, you can say in that way as well. Category does matter a lot.
It's been 50 years since you've been doing this, and as I said, it's very difficult to create your own niche, and you've done that wonderfully well. So, do you think the ecosystem in Ludhiana, because Ludhiana is known for hosiery a lot, why do you think Ludhiana leads so much in hosiery? Because हम जितना मर्जी बोलें, but hosiery is the heart of Ludhiana.
The heart of Ludhiana. I think it's because it has been there for a really long decades. Sorry, everything is there, from raw material to yarn to accessories. Everything you have to source within the same city, so it becomes easy for the Ludhiana people to make the garment. Well, it's a it's a very ironical word to say easy, but yes, it is. Compared to other cities, yes, I will say Ludhiana will always be, and
Ludhiana will have an edge.
Will always have an edge, and is always have been.
Right. अच्छा, what are the challenges? आपको क्या लगता है कि obviously Ludhiana has achieved, but let's not sit on our laurels. If you talk about for the industry at a larger scale, what do you think are the challenges looking forward? If you want to take the industry forward, what are the things that we need to overcome?
There has to be some more skilled labor programs, like those. There should be some programs from the government itself that the skilled labor is easily available, and they have been trained, because there are so many of us. Of our country, so many people in our country are unemployed. तो अगर वो unemployed है, तो वो जहाँ पे employment की ज़रूरत है, वो वहाँ पे क्यों नहीं हम कर सकते? उसको सिखा के, उसको समझा के, अगर उसको हम एक industrial growth करवा सकते हैं, तो it'll be a good win-win situation for both from both sides. उसको भी employment मिलती है, और your country has also achieved something out of industry improvement, development.
अब जैसे लोग कह रहे हैं कि ऑटोमेशन भी आ रही है, जैसे रोबोट्स आ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में, वेरी सून विदिन 5-10 years मे बी लेबर की रिक्वायरमेंट कम हो जाएगी. जैसे इलॉन मस्क बोलते हैं कि आने वाले टाइम में शायद जॉब्स ही नहीं रहेंगे. सो डू यू थिंक कि फैक्ट्री पूरी ऑटोमेटेड हो जाएगी, रोबोट्स विल बी प्रोड्यूसिंग द गारमेंट्स?
You never know. What is not what we used to think back in the days was not possible. It's possible today. तो वो हम बिल्कुल कह ही सकते हैं कि कल तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. But yes, so far अपनी जो कंडीशन जो देखते हुए मुझे लगता है कि ये इतना जल्दी तो वो चेंज होने नहीं वाला. बहुत डेकेड्स लगेंगे इसको. 1-2 तो लगेंगे, आई बिलीव. अच्छा. ये सब रोबोटिक होने में. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट हाउ द रोबोट्स विल ऑपरेट द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स, बट so far what I have seen, what I have analyzed, that yes, we have a problem of the labor. What we try to do is just within the machinery itself, if some labor work can be done, can be reduced, that is always applied. तो उस चीज़ को हम ध्यान में रख के काम करते हैं कि जिससे लेबर का कम काम हो. और ये भी आप एक तरह का यही कह सकते हो, रोबोट ही है. It's also a machinery basically. You're asking the machine to do the stuff which used to be a labor oriented, but now you want the things to come out of the machinery as it is, जो जिसकी labor कम से कम ज़रूरत पड़े. पर these are very baby steps. But what you are asking, what you are saying, just for example, packing the garment and stitching the garment, that can be done by a robot. Is I cannot just see. I cannot imagine at the moment.
I think it's few decades away for India at least.
हाँ जी.
Maybe for China and US it's possible in 5-10 years, but maybe for India it will take a lot of
It
time.
will take some time. हाँ जी,
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
Acha, in the end, I would just like to ask you if anyone watching who wants to be, wants to be an entrepreneur in hosiery or maybe some other sector, what would be your advice? Advice to that kind of person?
Obviously, you first of all you do look around what is going on within the current situation. But when it comes to changing, you do need to fight. I believe with your seniors to sometimes apply those changes. Get what you are aiming for, what you actually want to see, what you want to experience. You will lag behind. You will waste your time, and basically, if you are coming with your with your passion of making clothing, then just come up with not only experience which your forefathers or your seniors has got, but also bring your own innovation and own ideas to bring forward. Don't let anybody overcome them. So because otherwise there's no future for you.
Absolutely, very well said. I think that's a very good advice for youngsters watching who want to pursue their business, maybe in the same field or something different. Thank you so much, Deepak ji, for your time.
No, sir.
It was
My
a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.